Birmingham residential window replacement delivers immediate value when aging frames, cracked panes, and leaky seals start driving up utility bills and reducing comfort. Homeowners across Birmingham neighborhoods often choose residential window replacement to improve curb appeal, reduce drafts, and modernize the look of older homes. Whether the project calls for home window replacement, house window installation, or full replacement window installers, the right solution can support better temperature control and long-term savings. Many homeowners also upgrade entry doors Birmingham alongside their windows for a more complete exterior improvement. Birmingham, Alabama window specialists often recommend a careful assessment of existing openings before selecting energy-efficient windows, insulated window upgrades, or custom window fitting for a precise result. Energy-efficient replacement windows Birmingham homeowners choose today can help reduce heat transfer and improve comfort during hot Alabama summers and cooler winter months. Double-pane window replacement is especially popular because double-pane windows Birmingham, Alabama properties often need are designed to support better insulation and noise reduction. Alabama energy-saving windows may also include low-E glass, durable frames, and improved sealing technology for more dependable performance. For properties facing persistent draft issues, drafty window solutions, window seal replacement, and insulated window upgrades can work together to improve efficiency and reduce energy loss throughout the year. Vinyl window replacement Birmingham, Alabama projects remain a leading choice for durability, low maintenance, and reliable performance in both older houses and newer homes. Local homeowners seeking vinyl window replacement, residential glazing services, or home improvement windows Birmingham, Alabama often appreciate the affordability and versatility of vinyl frames. Many also pair these upgrades with entry doors Birmingham to enhance both energy efficiency and exterior design. Window frame installation and window frame replacement Birmingham services can also be essential when rot, warping, or structural wear affects existing units. For many properties, replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods can be tailored to match architectural window styles while delivering modern functionality and improved weather resistance. Custom window installation Birmingham clients' request often involves a blend of style, performance, and exact measurements for unique openings. Custom window fitting is especially valuable in older homes, renovated spaces, and distinctive properties where standard sizes do not work. House window upgrade Birmingham plans may include bay window replacement, picture window replacement, or even awning window replacement depending on the design goals. Birmingham Metro window installation services can also coordinate with entry doors Birmingham projects to create a cohesive exterior upgrade that improves both appearance and functionality across the entire facade. Residential glazing Birmingham, Alabama services are often needed for damaged panes, fogging between glass layers, or broken seals that affect clarity and efficiency. Birmingham window glass replacement can restore visibility and performance without requiring a complete frame overhaul in every situation. Window glass replacement, window seal replacement, and window retrofit services are commonly used to extend the life of existing units while still improving comfort. For homeowners comparing window contractor services, the best option usually combines expert assessment, quality materials, and reliable installation for long-lasting results in Birmingham, Alabama homes. Sliding window replacement Birmingham homeowners prefer can create smoother operation, improved ventilation, and a cleaner modern look for many room types. Casement windows Birmingham, Alabama residents install are also a strong option for airflow and easy opening, especially when paired with energy-efficient windows and secure locking hardware. Awning window replacement works well in areas that need ventilation even during wet weather, while casement window replacement can enhance both efficiency and usability. Sliding window replacement, casement window replacement, and awning window replacement all support flexible design choices for Birmingham residential window replacement projects of every size. Impact-resistant windows are a smart consideration for homes that need added protection, stronger glass performance, and better peace of mind. Soundproof window installation is another popular upgrade for homeowners near traffic corridors, busy streets, or active neighborhoods where reducing outside noise matters. Replacement window installers may recommend these options alongside double-pane window replacement or insulated window upgrades for a more complete solution. Birmingham home window installers often assess exposure, noise levels, and structural conditions before recommending impact-resistant windows, residential glazing services, or window replacement services in Birmingham that align with the home's specific needs. Bay window replacement and picture window replacement can dramatically change the look and feel of a living room, den, or front-facing space. These architectural window styles often bring in more natural light, improve sightlines, and create a stronger design statement for homeowners seeking a refined upgrade. Replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods are often selected to balance traditional charm with modern performance, especially when paired with custom window installation Birmingham or residential window contractors Birmingham, Alabama who understand local housing styles. For many homes, window contractor services can integrate these specialty units into a broader exterior improvement plan. Window installation and replacement Birmingham homeowners need often depends on whether the issue is isolated damage or widespread deterioration. Birmingham home window installers can evaluate broken locks, worn weather stripping, fogged glass, or compromised frames and recommend the best path forward. Window contractors near Birmingham, Alabama may provide residential glazing Birmingham, Alabama support, window frame replacement Birmingham, or full Birmingham residential window replacement depending on the condition of the home. For fast, professional service, local window replacement company Birmingham teams frequently handle new construction windows, house window installation, and replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods with precision and efficiency. Entry door and window replacement. Birmingham projects often deliver the best overall transformation when done together, especially for homeowners focused on exterior upgrades and energy savings. New construction windows can be an excellent fit for additions, major remodels, and properties requiring complete opening replacement, while replacement window installers can also handle retrofit work in existing homes. Birmingham window replacement services should address style, insulation, security, and long-term durability, whether the project involves residential window contractors Birmingham, Alabama, window replacement services in Birmingham, or Birmingham, Alabama insulated window installation. For dependable results, homeowners often choose replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods that combine beauty, performance, and expert installation. Birmingham residential window replacement and entry doors Birmingham upgrades can transform curb appeal, comfort, and efficiency at the same time. Homeowners comparing window replacement services in Birmingham often choose energy-efficient replacement windows Birmingham, Alabama energy-saving windows, and insulated window upgrades for long-term performance. From residential window replacement to house window upgrade Birmingham projects, the right selection improves insulation, reduces drafts, and supports lower utility bills. Local experts in Birmingham, Alabama window specialists, residential window contractors Birmingham, Alabama, and window contractors near Birmingham, Alabama can also recommend architectural window styles that fit traditional and modern homes across the Birmingham metro. Double-pane windows Birmingham, Alabama are a top choice for drafty window solutions, soundproof window installation, and better temperature control in busy neighborhoods. Birmingham, Alabama insulated window installation is especially effective for homes needing draft reduction, while double-pane window replacement and window seal replacement help restore comfort fast. For properties needing more light and style, picture window replacement, bay window replacement Birmingham, casement windows Birmingham, Alabama, and awning window replacement deliver versatile design options. Birmingham home window installers and replacement window installers can also handle custom window fitting, custom window installation Birmingham, and residential glazing services for a precise upgrade. Vinyl window replacement Birmingham, Alabama remains one of the most requested options for durability, low maintenance, and value. Many homeowners searching for home window replacement or residential window replacement in Birmingham neighborhoods prefer vinyl window replacement, window retrofit services, and window frame installation because they offer practical solutions for aging homes. Local window replacement company Birmingham teams often provide window frame replacement Birmingham, Birmingham window glass replacement, and window installation and replacement Birmingham to address damage, leaks, and worn seals. For fast service and dependable results, Residential Glazing Birmingham, Alabama professionals can match materials to your home and climate needs. House window installation and new construction windows should be planned with performance and style in mind, especially for remodels and additions. Window contractor services in Birmingham can guide homeowners through sliding window replacement Birmingham, casement window replacement, bay window replacement, picture window replacement, and impact-resistant windows for added protection. Birmingham Metro window installation crews also help with house window upgrade Birmingham projects where energy efficiency, security, and appearance all matter. When replacing aging units, custom window fitting ensures the final result complements the home's design and supports lasting value. If you need Birmingham residential window replacement, start with replacement windows in Birmingham neighborhoods that demand energy savings, noise control, and weather resistance. From window replacement services in Birmingham to local window replacement company Birmingham Support, the right team can handle vinyl window replacement Birmingham, Alabama, Birmingham window glass replacement, and window frame replacement Birmingham with professionalism. Whether the project involves entry door and window replacement Birmingham, soundproof window installation, or Alabama energy-saving windows, experienced window contractors near Birmingham, Alabama can deliver quality home improvement windows Birmingham, Alabama residents trust, often paired with entry doors Birmingham for a complete upgrade.